Why exists? First, self-fulfilling prophecy. Ito yung prediction or expectation natin na nagta-turn into reality. Second, the realistic conflict theory. Dito nagkakaroon ng conflict and increase of prejudice and discrimination. That because of the competition and limited resources. Pangatlo, the confirmation bias or also known as cognitive bias. Ito yung sinasala or pinipili mo lang yung information na magja-justify sa pre-existing beliefs or values mo. Kailangan ko ulitin.